I'm only saying it once, right now, and maybe once at the end. The 50% off coupon code expires tomorrow, and then the price is going up when the courses are building your wealth. Okay, all right, I said it. It's out of the way. Let's get into the content. Folks, I cannot believe Eric, one of our course members, did the following. He did it dirty. Or did he? I don't know. I'm going to leave it to you to decide. Folks, take a look on screen now. What do we got here? We got Eric D. has the following to say. In our property management group, we reviewed this in our course member live stream, which we do every day. The market is open. We do real estate analysis, fundamental analysis, do-it-yourself property management analysis, questions, you name it. Anyway, here we go. All right, here it is. How much value do you think this added, asks Eric. Eric says, you analyzed this deal for me back in December of 2020 and told me not to spend so much money. So I submit to you the kindergartner's restoration. I'm not, oops, even the computer's trying to pull up a definition on that one. I'm not handy, so I tapped into my time spent playing with paint, stickers, and markers. Here we go. Check it out, folks. All right, here are the costs. Paint and primer, $630. Brushes, tape, tarps, rollers, $200. Grout pen. Yes, folks, grout pen, $40. Cabinet handles, $30. Backsplash 3D decals, $165. Backsplash 3D trim, $50. Got some razor bandages. I'm getting blamed for this guy cutting himself. It's over. Outlet covers, overlight sink, and a drop ceiling for $1,500. All in, $2,734. So, folks, let's now go through the before and after. And I don't know, folks. I don't know. I'm going to show you the before. I'm going to show you the after, and we're going to make some comments here, and we're going to try to learn some stuff, okay? All right, here we go. So, this, folks, is the before. So we can see the damaged ceiling up here. You can see this is a lath and plaster home. You could see that because you see the lath here. That means this is plaster, which means it's very difficult to hang lighting in or whatever because you're basically going through concrete. Now, generally what people will do in a situation like this is they will either cut a section out and then patch it with drywall, potentially drywall over it after cleaning it up, making sure there's no mildew, making sure the insulation's replaced, whatever. Obviously cleaning up the electrical. We've got the overall kitchen here, which is, this is a harder kind of cabinet to paint the actual box in. We've got white appliances here, what looks like a Formica countertop, some older maybe 8x8 square tiles, and then there is also, which is difficult to see in this particular picture here. There you go, you can see it here. There is what looks like maybe a 4x4 or 5x4, maybe probably 4x4 tile, like a square white porcelain tile back here. And we see the stainless steel sink here. Okay, so this gives you an idea of the before. Now here's a person who spent $2,700. And folks, I now present to you the after. After a message from our sponsor. But first I want to thank today's sponsor, Moomoo. Moomoo is an advanced stock trading platform that provides you with global investment opportunities all within one app. And they're now offering all of my viewers up to 10 free stocks plus a free Lucid stock when you open an account and deposit money using my link down below. And not only are they giving you free money, but they are also one of the best trading platforms around. Moomoo doesn't just allow you to buy and sell stocks, they also give you so many other features that would let you take your trading game to a whole new level. Like for their real-time level 2 market data for the US markets, displaying up to 60 different levels of bids and asks and gain a deeper understanding of the market. And they also offer fund tracking, which allows you to get a quick overview of the movement of funds in the stock market to help you make the best trading decisions. So get up to 10 totally free stocks plus an exclusive free Lucid stock when you sign up using the link in the description down below. Again, a link down below to get 10 free stocks plus a free Lucid stock today. I'm gonna present what I think is the best photo, although the angle's slightly crooked, but that's okay. We're not gonna argue about the angle. We're not arguing about the angle. It's okay. There's some other ones, but I think this is probably the best shot. Here we go, folks. This is the after. $2,700 later. Let's go. This is absolutely amazing. So there are some things I don't like. There's some things that I really love. First of all the tile is now, or at least looks to be, subway tile. but it's actually a decal and a grout pen. The cabinets have been painted, and we've got some new hardware here, which is a bit more rustic. We've got a new light fixture. I'm not a big fan of the dropped ceiling, okay? I would have gone for drywall rather than dropped ceiling, but that's all right. Some people, they don't like doing drywall mudding, all right? Whatever. And, folks, these outlet covers, we had a debate about this in the course member live stream. There's a trick that we use to deal with this for like $4 and 30 seconds of effort. There's also the slumlord method, which is you just take white spray paint and go psh. That's a terrible idea because it peels right off when you stick stuff in it. But it looks good for a few minutes. Then there's the $4 method, which is a special plate that actually covers over this, which is pretty cool. And you also have the idea of just replacing the outlet or the switch, which is like 50 cents a piece. But then if you screw up because you end up hitting a three-way for like the undercab lights or whatever, and you get confused, you have to call an electrician. Now you spend a lot more money. Yeah, but I have to say, that looks like pretty dang good 3D stickers. Those look like subway tiles. Not the biggest fan of the wood bead here, but I mean, it's a sticker. Like, dude, for $2,700, this is really good value. I mean, if you threw a new countertop in here, it'd probably run you $5,000. You did the subway tile back there, or you drywalled it because you got rid of the tiles before and then you drywalled it. Look, at bare minimum, if you glazed the tiles that were there before, it'd be another $1,000. You'd be at $7,000 before hardware and painting the cabinets. You'd probably be at, and then you throw in new appliances at that point, and then you fix the ceiling. You're probably ordinarily like $10,000 here, right? And that's not even new boxes of cabinets and stuff. Like countertop takes a lot of money. Here we got a durable foil that's gonna last probably 3 or 4 years before the edges can start peeling up, and you could do things to kind of like re-stick them down, all right? I would have done something with the outlets, but I mean, honestly, if you just bought a home and you're on a shoestring budget, I mean, talk about creating, like creating somewhere around probably $25,000 in value for the home, taking it from fixer to this. For $2,700, I mean, that's a 10x right there. That's really amazing. I would have gotten a 3x, but again, I would have probably spent $8,000-9,000. I would have the longevity of the stone countertop, and I've tested the stickums before. They're actually extremely durable. Like they're if you take a knife to them, they'll cut. If you sit something too hot on them, they can have like little tiny bubbles, but they're like, as long as you take proper care with it and you don't use it as like a cutting board, it's not that bad. The thing is, you just have to make sure that edge trim is really nicely put away. But folks, this is really awesome, and I just want to give a shout out to Eric D here. Use that 50% off coupon code link down below. Thank you for watching. I can't believe my course member did this. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.